Here is how you can pinch zoom on the iPhone. So the pinch zooming applies across various different places. Most commonly, it is going to be inside of the photos and videos. Whenever you open up a picture in full screen like this, you can obviously pinch in on it to zoom it in and pinch out to zoom out. That's how you can approach this. That's like the easiest way, or the most common place you can use the pinch to zoom in, but it applies to other scenarios or places as well. Like if you go to the unlock screen, and as you can see, if I hold down on it and go to the customize mode, you can also pinch to zoom in the wallpaper, right? And if you also have the 3D effect like I do, which slightly covers the clock, then using the pinch gesture is the only way to really play around with it. So that's actually very useful. But outside of that, you also have like the general zoom feature, which applies across the whole device. If you go to the settings and accessibility, you'll find the zoom right there. And if you have it enabled, this doesn't zoom in using the pinch gesture, but using the triple tap and like 3 fingers swipe to zoom in. So once you have the zoom feature enabled, you can essentially double tap with 3 fingers like this, and you can also not really pinch to zoom in, but it sort of gets the job done as well, like that. And that's how you can move back and forth. So this is like a little bit of a different approach to the zoom feature, but this is also very useful. So let me know what you think below in the comments, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.